What's up, guys? It is Tuesday. It is actually already lunchtime, but as you just saw, David and I had a little like Christmas morning today because we are going to my family's house and his family's house on Christmas Day. So we wanted to do our like personal gift exchange here so that we didn't have to bring everything with us this weekend or this week, whatever. So we got up early before we both had to go to work and did a little gift exchange and made breakfast together, which was super fun. And yeah, it was nice. And so now it is actually already 1 o'clock. I've been working this afternoon or this morning, just trying to like wrap up everything before I am done for Christmas break, basically. So yeah, that's what I've been doing this morning into the afternoon, and I am about to make lunch. I'm thinking I might make like a buffalo chicken salad, which is one of my like favorite foods. Just trying to like use up random stuff in our refrigerator. I feel like before we leave, we try to like empty it as much as we can just so things don't go bad. So I'm gonna see what we have in the fridge, and hopefully we have stuff I can make for a little salad. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. Yeah, let's make some lunch. All right, we have lettuce, we have celery, avocado, we have an onion, hot sauce, and actually I have to cook some chicken. So while that's cooking, let's open up the advent calendar. All right, let's open this up. We are on day 22. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I literally bought this exact toothpaste last night to put in David's stocking because I've seen this brand like probably at Anthropologie, obviously, and other places, and I just think it's so cute. It just looks like so old school, and I don't know, obviously he's the dentist, so I thought it'd be kind of fun just to put that in his stocking, and I got it as a sample today. This is a different flavor than I got him, I think. His was green, but love that. It's so cute. Like, I think I might just put this in our guest room, our guest bathroom, for people to use. But cool. Who knew you could get so excited about toothpaste? But that's just funny that I literally bought this yesterday.
They have a drawstring. They're kind of oversized. I got them in extra small, and everything for yes. Last night, love this guy flashing.
Here is the salad. I am so hungry, so this looks amazing. Before I head back to work, I'm gonna do a little photo shoot of my gift wrap for the year. I feel like I always try to get like a nice photo of it, just so one, I can remember it and to post on my Instagram and stuff. So I'm gonna pick out like my favorite wrapped presents and kind of lay them out and try to find a cute spot to take a picture, because that's what I do. Here is kind of the layout that I'm gonna take a picture to see what it looks like. Luckily I have white floors, so I feel like they're like perfect for little like photo shoots. And yeah, this is the final gift wrap. I think it turned out pretty cute. Officially wrapped for the rest of the week, and I am so excited. My office is technically still open tomorrow, but I had a few extra PTO days to use, so I took tomorrow off. And I don't have a ton of plans. I'm just gonna kind of get packed up for Christmas, wrap up anything I have to do. I do need to go to like the grocery store, and then I'm also getting my hair dyed for the second time in my entire life. I just decided to do it again, and I thought since I had the day off I would go. So that is what I'm doing tomorrow, which I'm super excited about. And I also got a few packages in the mail that aren't Christmas related, so I feel like I can show you guys. The first thing being this really adorable print that I got for the nursery. So it is this little girl with a little like eye mask on, and I just thought it was so cute, and like these are totally the colors of her nursery, so I thought that was kind of cute. And she's like a little brunette girl, which I have a feeling ours will be, so I thought that was cute. I'm not really sure where I'm going to put it yet, but I just wanted to buy it, so I got that, which is so cute. And then the next thing is something I saw on Instagram for myself. This girl that is also pregnant right around the same time as me posted about it and said it was a game changer. So I looked it up. It's from the company Hatch, which is super cute. It has like a bunch of maternity like clothes and like self-care and stuff. Why is this not focusing today? There it is. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute, and I thought the name was so funny because it's for like soothing and cooling your legs and your feet when they're like super swollen. So I just thought like Down Girl was really funny. So yeah, I've been kind of noticing that my feet and mostly my feet will swell up if I'm on them for a long period of time, and it's just like really uncomfortable. So she said that this was a game changer, so I bought it for myself. It says that it's a cooling gel-based cream that helps soothe and invigorate tired, swollen feet and legs. It's infused with ginger and mint to have immediate relief that won't overstimulate your senses. So yeah, I don't know. She said it was amazing, and the packaging I thought was just so cute, which you guys know I'm a sucker for. So I'm excited to try that. I'll probably take a shower later tonight and I'll test it, but you know I gotta like at least smell it right now. Okay, that smells so good. It's like super like minty with like an aloe scent kind of. So yeah, I bought that, which was super exciting. But definitely check this out if you like know somebody that's pregnant or you are yourself. They just have really cute like maternity kind of self-care stuff, and they also have clothes that looked really cute too, but I specifically wanted to try this stuff just because it's been like one of my bigger symptoms is like swollen feet. So that is what I got. But yeah, David is working late tonight, so I have a few extra hours to just kind of get some stuff done before he gets home. I've been saying that I need to do laundry all day long, and I haven't done a single load, and we need to bring a bunch of stuff with us this weekend, so that is going to be my first thing I do because I have been putting it off all day long. Laundry is by far my least favorite chore. I don't know why, because it's not hard. Like you literally just have to throw stuff in, and then folding is probably like the most annoying, but it's like not that hard, and I just hate it. And I know with a baby things are about to get even more crazy, so I'm gonna like try to work on that and like actually like stay on top of it, because it's certainly one of those chores that I hate doing the most. So I'm gonna go do that, and I'll probably check in with you guys when David gets home. We're gonna make ramen tonight, which I am super excited about, but I'm gonna stop blabbing. So I'll see you guys at dinner time. All right, I started laundry. I did a few loads and watched the family stone when I was doing so. So it made it a little bit more enjoyable. And now David's home. It is almost 7:30 already, so we'll be eating late, but we both ate a late lunch, so works out that way. We're gonna make homemade ramen. David's probably gonna make most of it, but we've made this recipe before. I'll link it below in the description. It's super good. It's spicy with like chicken, mushrooms, bok choy, jalapenos, just a bunch of stuff. It's really good. And yeah, that's what we're gonna make for dinner. All right, so we have the broth and chicken done, which looks really good. It smells amazing. And now we're gonna add in the bok choy, which this is like one of my favorite parts of the whole ramen dish. It's so good. So when everything's done cooking, we'll combine it all into these bowls, and then we just have all of this like fresh stuff to add on top. So it's just cilantro, jalapeno, green onion, and some lime to squeeze on top. And that's like my favorite part, are the toppings. Here is what the final soup looks like, or ramen, I guess technically. Looks so good. We have the rice noodles. The broth is so spicy but amazing. Yum. Right, I am gonna close out the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.